the stress is different kasi. Kasi of course, you need to put in mind yung parents nung mga estudyante rin namin.
Yeah.
Like for us, for them, it's easy because both of us, we train. Their moms also train. So it's easy for us to adjust. So teaching younger kids, the 50% factor there is the parents also.
Yeah.
So we need to think about their emotions also. Kung tingin ba nilang we're being too much, pushing their kids to the limits. Kasi we need to push them harder than the teens and the adults.
Really? Bakit?
Yeah. Kasi sila ang kids, pag hindi mo tinutukan yan, hindi gagalaw yan eh. You need to really push them, motivate them.
How much is it coaching the kids and coaching the parents with regards to helping these kids develop?
Like for the parents, may disclaimer kami. Every time they enroll, we tell them na this is jiu-jitsu, it's hard. It's supposed to be hard. If it's easy, we're not teaching your kids properly. That's what I always tell the parents. So the parents, they expect na once they put in their kids, of course, it's martial arts. You win here, sometimes you get hurt. Actually, most of the time you get hurt. So we explain it to the parents na masakit tong sport. This is a martial arts. This is a contact sport. So expect na masasaktan yung anak niyo.
Yeah.
But it's the way of yung sa parents dealing with their emotions. Na syempre pag nasaktan yung anak nila, kailangan medyo kakalmahin mo rin yung magulang eh. Then that's yun lang. Mostly it's a 50-50 balance of handling the kids and handling the parents. That's the hard part of teaching kids. Kasi you're handling two different emotions in one go. Not like if you're just teaching adults.
Yeah.
Siya lang. O,
Yeah.
diba?